Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you the location of the child locks and how to use them on this vehicle. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting this channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the purpose of child locks is to disable the opening of rear sliding doors from the inside. So pretty much to disable the interior door handles. And that's quite handy, especially if you have kids, so they don't open the doors while you are driving. Okay, and now I will demonstrate how to use them. Now first you want to open the sliding doors all the way. And then you want to go to the back of this sliding door and you will see like a couple of symbols here. So unlock, lock and a small person, and then there is like a small tab or a switch right here which you have to move. So right now it's an unlock position, and to engage the child locks all you have to do just push these to the right side. And now once that is done, nobody can open this sliding door from the inside. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.